Next, we will move on to the predefined line types. So in this template itself, there are a few predefined line types set up already for you. For example, namely, continuous lines are objects in which we are trying to document things that are tangible. Tangible as in we can see them, we can touch them, feel them, etc. They are physical items that they are there. Okay, for hidden line items, right? Okay, when we use hidden line, we are trying to document things that are existing, but they may be in overhead, meaning they may be higher than say 1 meter height, but we still need to document their presence. So we use hidden lines. Dash dot lines are used for they can be used for center lines as well. Okay, similar to center lines here, these two, or for section, this one for sections as well. Okay, and then down here, the dotted line here. Now this dotted line is used for usually one purpose only. We use the dotted line to document things that we want to demolish, okay, or to remove. Dotted line. Please pay conscious attention to dotted line and hidden line. So when we communicate, it is important for us to use the correct language here to say certain things that we have them overhead. That's why it's shown in hidden line and not shown in dotted line. When we say in dotted line, it means things we want to demolish or remove the way. Okay. Now there's an important note here. Look at this. Inside model space, line type scale is to be set according to the intended print scale. For example, if we are going to print, okay, inside model space, what is model space? It's actually this one. You can see model space from this word model at the lower right hand corner where my mouse is here. Okay, model space, if we have set up the drawing to be printed to 1:20, then the global line type scale should be set to 20 also. How do we do this? We can simply type this command called LTS. Please pay attention to here where the lower left part of my screen is, and then we key in here, say 20. Now notice when I change the line type scale and I refresh, you notice the gap of the lines for the dotted line and the hidden line becomes a lot bigger because the gaps and the line type, what we call the line type scales, the gaps have been scaled up 20 times bigger. Okay, imagine that if we make this even bigger at the scale of 100, so I'm going to change the LTS to 100. You will now find that all the hidden line properties are gone. The hidden line, the dash dot lines, and even more pronounced, the dotted line now becomes two dots here. One dot at the left, one dot at the right. Okay, this is because we have changed the line type scale from 1 to 100. So I'm going to revert this LTS, the line type scale, back to 1 again. And you find that now it has reverted back to its original designed scale. You will not notice this, okay, so prominently when we use this inside paper space, but it is important for us to note this when we are working in model space, especially when we want to use model space to print. Okay.